while the grease warm up. That was stupid.
So the case we will be building in today is the Thermaltake V100 Midtower. I love the simplicity of this case. Next up we have the motherboard, which is a Gigabyte B550M DS3HAC Rev 1.7. I love this motherboard so far. And last but not least, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X. It's equipped with 8 cores and 16 threads, and it's unlocked for overclocking, so you know I'm gonna have a blast with this, man. Now let's get into the build. So right here, you're about to see me looking like so confused because I just knew that I got gypped. I just knew that I got jacked, man. Like, I was like, where the hell is the CPU? I paid too much money for this, man. Like, I wasn't even planning on getting any upgrades. I only came there to get a new motherboard. Well, they didn't have anything for the socket I needed, so I ended up having to get a new CPU and a motherboard, plus a case. So I actually came for motherboard and case, and I had to get all 3 of those new. But yeah, as you can see, we have the CPU. This is my first time building anything with Ryzen or AMD. And I must tell you that I'm pretty happy with the performance. Now later on in the video, I'm going to get one more upgrade, but I'll just save that to when we get to that point. Right here, I'm just making sure I'm not tripping. And I just realized I don't have an air cooler. I don't have a CPU cooler at all whatsoever. So I had to leave and go back to that same store, but as you can see, I got the cooler now, pretty decent. And it does its job because this CPU can get hot because I overclocked it, of course. Now, I didn't do any advanced overclocking. I did the Gigabyte overclocking thing. So its base speed is like 3.5. I get up to like 4.6, which is cool. So now I'm here. I'm trying to see how to install this AMD bracket, and it was pretty straightforward. I just was nervous because I don't want to bend any pins or anything like that. As you can see off to the right, you see the instructions, so don't think I was just breezing through this shit because I'm new to this. But I feel like I did pretty good to say that I am a newbie, I am a rookie. I tend to catch on to things that I'm interested in very quickly, and it's crazy, but I think a lot of people hate that about me, you know, but it is what it is, man. So yeah, I'm installing the brackets, which was, like I said, it was pretty easy. I didn't know that even existed, to be honest with you. I also want to apologize for my head being in most of these shots. But yeah, man, I'll let y'all get back to the video. So right here is what you see is so-called cable management. It gets better, not during the video, but afterwards, because the things that's going to take place later on in the video was after all this was filmed. Also, I didn't get to film the part where I actually turned on the PC, but I did include some footage of me doing it. Look, y'all gonna see, man. But yeah, bro, I completely didn't know what the hell I was doing as far as cable management. I just try to mimic what I seen on videos, and it didn't work out for me. And I was like, oh shit, I forgot the power supply. And I had to retake it off. Also, the IO shield, I also forgot to put that on. And we all know that's a big rookie mistake, because now you got to take the motherboard back out and put it back in. But all that was done later off camera.
So I just wanted to insert this. I ended up getting me a new graphics card off of eBay. It's a Gigabyte RTX 2080. So this should be an upgrade from my 1050 Ti. So we about to put that in, and this whole build has just been crazy. But hey, I've been getting upgrades, so let's look at it.
Sit this here. Bro, did bro send me a 3080? You gotta be kidding me, man. I'm trying to get this shit to focus. Hold on, y'all. Did bro send me a 3080, bro? I suppose I had the Gigabyte 2080, man. Let's open this box, bro. Alright, let's see what's popping, man. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, bro wasn't playing. My first official GPU. Wow, okay, it's still in decent condition, bro. It's still in decent condition. I can't even be mad at that, man. So yeah, bro. I'm gonna put this bad boy in. I'm not recording all that, man. Y'all will see the build afterwards. Alright, I just want to show y'all I got this upgrade, man. Let's go ahead and get this installed.